How to install Python packages in PyCharm. So for doing so, as you can see, here is the terminal. So you should open it. And after opening it, you should wait a second. And after that, you can simply, for example, if you want to install a package named NumPy, you can simply do this. You can simply type pip space install space, and then you should type the name of the package, which in this case is NumPy, and then I press enter. Remember that you should have internet connection, and you should wait for the download and installation process. So as you can see, it has successfully installed NumPy, and in order to verify that, now here in the code, if I simply type import NumPy, as for example in P, and now if I run this code, as you can see, we don't get any error. It means that we do have the NumPy package and it has been installed. And maybe you ask, how should I know what command should I type in order to install a package? For that, you need to search for it. For example, suppose that I want to install a package named OpenCV. So in that case, I simply type something like this. I simply type pip install OpenCV, although I know that I should not type pip install OpenCV, but anyway, let's just type something like this. And after that, I add this thing, py, which is the name of a website. Anyway, I press enter. So I type something like this. And as you can see, the first link is from this PyPy website. So I open this website. And as you can see here, it says if you want to install that, you need to type something like this, pip install OpenCV Python. So I copy this one, and then I go to PyCharm, and then I go to terminal, and then I can paste that, and I can press enter, and so on. And here are two videos which I suggest you to watch as well. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.